Hey, this is my paper MP5. It's been updated. I spray painted it. Gold. Barrel still slides and out. Magazine still comes out. You can still fit stuff in it, you know. You can, you know, still hold it. It's stable. Nothing really different except that's gold. Yeah, stock slides in and out. Adjustable. Whatever you want to call it. Sight. And that's all. I'll be making more videos on my paper guns because I just spray painted more of them. And I also made a sniper rifle that I'll be putting up. See ya.